Most engineering students just keep watching tutorials. None of them end up making real projects. So I decided to test myself. Can I build an AI application from scratch, end to end, from my hostel room? No funding, no team, just AI. Let's get started. So we got a lot of ideas, and the best one which I decided to take for the video is gonna be a developer productivity tool. So what we're gonna do in that is it's a web app that calculates a developer's score based on our daily effort. It's like a credit score, and it's a nice mechanism because people like having a feedback for the work which they've done. And a lot of times people do not get the feedback. So I feel this is going to be a really good beginning point for our series, and as well as the guys who are watching this video. Take it as an inspiration, develop your own AI tools. Let's get started.
So apparently, as you can see, my audio is not working properly. There was some issue with Open Broadcast Studio. So anyways, what you can see here now is like a perfectly running dashboard as a sort of MVP or sort of a prototype which we made, and it's a very simple Google form, and which takes into account coding hours, learning hours, project work, the exercise which we have done, and based on that it gives us an animated dev score. So we can see it's around 60, but it's okay, we can improve it in the next iteration. And the formula will be the same for calculating the dev score. It's just that we want to improve the overall user interface, the end user experience, or sort of, what should I say, the feel of the app. So that's what we're gonna work on in the consecutive few iterations. As you can see in the whole video, I am yapping something, but it's okay. And it's all because of the prompt which I'm gonna give here. Simple prompts or very specific prompts which can help me enhance my HTML, CSS and the JavaScript, and give the end user a better overall feel of the app. Here you can see, with just one or two changes in the whole code or the whole prompt, it gave me a very well looking user interface for my productivity tool. So now we have a very fluid display, glassy texture, and a sort of hover animation over the button, which makes it very, very, again, the feel good factor has increased from just the basic form which we were testing few moments ago. And that's the power of AI. Now, as you can see, finally there's sort of a F1 style feel to it. It gives us an fully animated score and a very nice hover animation, a nice telemetry screen. It feels more gamified, and that's the whole point which I was trying to prove in the video, that the end user experience should feel good. The developer or any person who's using the app should feel good about how they have spent their day. So guys, apparently my OBS ran into some issue and I couldn't record my audio properly, but I hope you get the idea how I built the app from scratch, and it's up for testing, and you can play around with the app. You can make modifications as well. It's in GitHub. So that's the power of AI. I could build that app from scratch within perhaps 10 to 15 minutes. And so can you. It's just that you need a good idea, a problem, and solution is right there in front of you. What matters today the most
is how well you can enhance the user experience. There are a lot of productivity apps. There are a lot of resume builders. There are a lot of ways and tools available in the internet which can help you achieve the same thing which I did in this app. As you can see in the initial part of the video, there was a very generic font design. It achieved the same thing. It told me the developer productivity, but the design, does it feel polished? Does it feel, does it have that premiumness in it? That's what I was trying to achieve with this app. And the end output of this whole project was very nice. It came out very beautifully, and I'm proud of that. So, 3 things we learned today in this video. Number 1, start simple. It need not be a very big project. It should be a simple project which you can implement easily. Number 2, speed matters more than perfection. And that's obviously true. Like in real time, in real case scenarios, you need to ship a lot of features, improvements in the high speed, and the environment in the tech sector is very competitive. So you need to work on speed more than perfection. Number 3, you learn more by building one project at a time than watching 50 tutorials and you end up making none. You have ChatGPT, you have Gemini, you have so many, free tools that can help you achieve your design, your idea, which is floating in your mind. So build one project using AI. There's nothing bad in it. You need not feel guilty. Oh, I didn't made it myself. Oh, but at least you thought about it. At least you had some idea. That matters more. And you were able to execute it. Execution matters. This is just the first episode. Next episode, I would want to test something bigger. Can I actually build AI tools that help real people, real cause? So, next episode is going to be something big. And if you're also a builder, or you're trying to become a builder instead of just a learner, follow this journey. I'm building from zero. Episode 1 is complete. See you in the next one.